morning, students. Today I will teach you chapter 1, uses of computer. In the first chapter given some activities like name any 5 places where computer are used and can a computer works without a software. All of you know computer are used in schools, college, hospitals, banks, airports, etc. And can a computer work without a software? No, never. Computer never work without a software. Today's topic is uses of computer. Before it, I will discuss their features of a computer. This is first chapter, main topic. After it, given features of a computer. The following features make computer a smart machine, just like speed. First, speed. As compared to humans की तुलना में a computer works very fast and does a large number of calculation quickly. कंप्यूटर ने मनुष्य को नहीं बनाया है, मनुष्य ने कंप्यूटर को बनाया है. सो एज कंपेयर्ड टू ह्यूमंस अ कंप्यूटर वर्क्स वेरी फास्ट. नेक्स्ट थिंग्स एक्यूरेसी. सेकेंड थिंग्स एक्यूरेसी. A computer always gives correct results. Errors are reported due to incorrect data or instructions given by the user. Users के द्वारा ही अगर डाटा गलत दिया गया है तो सिंपल सी बात है, कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग हो ही जाएगा. थर्ड, वर्सेटिलिटी. A computer performs a variety of tasks. It also known as a multitasking machine. Multi means many and tasking means बहुत सारे कार्य. तो एक समय में बहुत सारे काम कंप्यूटर द्वारा किए जा सकते हैं. So it is a multitasking machine. Next, storage. Storage. A computer can store large amount of data and information which can be retrieved whenever required. ये हमें जब इसकी ज़रूरत होती है इस डाटा की तो हम लोग उसे वापस ले सकते हैं. Unlimited amount of data is stored temporarily in primary memory. Next, reliability. Reliability. Computers are reliable and they do not make mistakes. Computer never makes mistakes. But computers have only not their intelligence. It have many advantages but they also have certain disadvantages. ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है जिसमें केवल एडवांटेजेस ही हो. गुण के साथ, लाभ के साथ उसमें कुछ बुराइयाँ, कुछ कठिनाइयाँ, कुछ हानियाँ भी होती है. जस्ट लाइक ज़ीरो इंटेलिजेंस. फर्स्ट, Zero intelligence. A computer does not have any intelligence of its own. अपने तरफ से कंप्यूटर में कोई भी ऐसी कोई इंटेलिजेंस नहीं होती है. हम लोगों के द्वारा जैसा इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया जाता है उसे वो फॉलो करता है. इफ़ इनकरेक्ट इनपुट्स इज गिवन, द आउटपुट विल बी इनकरेक्ट टू. एंड नेक्स्ट, इफेक्ट ऑन हेल्थ. Effect on health. Working on a computer for long hours leads to weak eyesight and causes obesity. कुछ समय के बाद इसमें काम करते करते कुछ इंटरवल्स लेने बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती है. नेक्स्ट थिंग्स, सम थिंग्स, computer hardware and software, their components. So computer hardware are the parts of a computer system which we can see and touch. But in the computer software, hardware cannot work its own and needs instructions. These instructions are in the form of programs. It is a set of programs that tells a computer to perform a specific task. Next things, uses of computers. This is the first chapter, and we will discuss about this topic, uses of computer. Computers are used everywhere in our day-to-day life, in our daily life. Let's study their uses at various places. First, home. Home. A computer used at home for various purposes, just like make cards, plan budgets, and make expensive seats. Book electronic tickets, it means e-tickets, and do online shopping. For this, we all use it in computer at home. Next, schools. Schools. Computers are used in schools by teachers, students, and non-teaching staff members for various purposes, like teach different subjects, prepare lessons, report cards, etc. Next, hospitals. Hospitals. Computers are widely used in the medical field. They have become an essential tool in managing different functions in hospitals, nursing homes, or a laboratory. Perform operations, maintain medical records, research and find cure for diseases, perform medical tests and checkups like blood test, CT scans, etc. Next, entertainment. Entertainment. Computers are commonly used in the field of entertainment. Add special effects in movies, make features films and animated movies like Jurassic Park, Chhota Bheem, Ganesha, etc. Create characters and scenes of floods, storms, fire, etc. Add sound, movement and expression to cartoon characters. Offices. Computers are widely used in offices, banks, computers are used in banks and hospitals and libraries, entertainments for various purposes. Make and keep records of office documents, maintain employees' personal details, communicate using emails, type the print office documents. In the banks, computers are used in banks for various purposes. Keep records of account holders and their transactions. Do online inquiry of a customer's account balance. Operate ATMs and provide internet banking facilities. Update the account balance. In the field of library, computers are used in libraries for various purposes like check records and next and last, science and technology. Computers are used for various purposes in the field of science and technology, help in research and invention, help in launching missiles, satellites, conducting experiments, weather forecasting, provide fast, accurate, and flexible ways of handling data. In the field of designing, computers are widely used for architects uses computers to design houses, buildings, pools, etc. Engineers used computers to design cars, scientific apparatus, etc. things. In shops and hotels, computers are used for various purposes in shops and hotels. Keep records of items sold, generate bills and maintain salary details of employees, manage data of employees and customers, बिल लेना, बिल बनाना, बिल रिसीव करना, बहुत सारे वर्क के लिए होटल्स में, शॉप्स में, इन सारी चीज़ों में इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. A computer is an electronic machine, so all functions are widely used for this. Okay.